This is our view, guys. Whew. Grabe yung hiking. And it's so hot. So, galing kami dyan. Yung may parking lot. Then we came from here. Tapos papunta pa dun sa taas.
Exercise ba yung pa-downhill sa Calds ba niya or Calds, no?
Sila, TG yan. Nasa taas pa. Here's Ate Jackie. We're almost there. Nakatakot naman dito. Baka may bear. Parang Minecraft. Paglakad.
Ikaw, mga preso ka.
No, that thing will bite you, bro.
Uy, mga umaka ba eh.
Hanapit mo sa akong likod, sige.
We're heading at the breakfast.
Oh my God, so fresh.
So
hey.
So fresh. Hi guys. It's 9:43 AM. So Trisha is magbibihi siya guys cause she's sweaty. So kakain muna kami guys cause we're hungry. Nananuyog na nan.
Kita ni dito.
I love it.
Bisaya, parang isang dahil Bisaya.
Mango.
Wait, apa ka na na?
Ano ba?
Mulihok pa na.
Sana get 360 there?
Mag-hiking pa tani.
Pila ka minutes?
Kaya
Sa Pilipinas?
kuan kaya nasa likod.
Ga! Pagsuroy! Buon! Skuyoy! Kapuya! Di na
Mag-hiking.
We're here in Cameron Lake, guys. It's like a mini lake. Why is it blurry? There you go. Uy, thank you, Day!
Basta yung kamerang ban. Buang.
Kulagin ako kayo.
Where's that you? Where's that you? Oh no, you see, it's moving with a small little bear. Yeah.
Bear! Bear!
Saan ang puna?
Ay.
Oh, ano po yung mountain goat oh. Bro.
Lo.
Hey, Brad. Brad. Papik-pik ko dyan.
Oh, na signal. Okay, don't drink the water, okay? You drank the water last time you went here. This is it, pansit. This is it. Welcome to Red Rock. Mother.
Red Rock.
Yeah, this is the Red Rock. Yeah, you can go down. Don't drink the water, okay?
Bye. Nata sa
Mamatay ka kung kilawan na.
Dito mag-picture sa ano. Ah, dito na sa bridge.
Uy! Eh, pag ganun sila. Hi guys. What's up, vlog? So yeah, I'm here right now because I just wanna let you know na hindi ko natapos yung pag-film ko sa Cameron Lake. I think 4 minutes yun eh, but like, I don't know, but nag-cut siya, so, yeah. Anyways, I'm so sorry if you see this vlog, like, puro montage, but yeah. I'm shy kasi to, you know, like, speak in front of the camera, so, but yeah. Why I keep saying but yeah, anyways, bro. After ng Cameron Lake, guys, we go to downtown again just to eat, cause maligo sana kami dun eh, sa lake, Waterton Lake, but then it's cold and it's too windy, so instead of maligo kami sa lake, umuwi na lang kami and naligo na lang kami sa YMCA. And yeah, I'm so sorry if hindi ko natapos yung vlog. So yeah. But if you guys want to watch Precious vlog, she's my friend. Ito siya. Ito yung vlog niya. But I'll just link it down below. Para hindi na kayo magsa-search. So yeah. So yeah, support her and subscribe. Yun lang naman. I'll see you guys in the